Brian from Wake Tech here. If we send you out a rebuilt shifter or you need to send a shifter to us with the Axis boat, I'm going to show you how to take it out and how easy it is to put it back in. First thing you're going to do is find all of these Phillips, pull the Phillips out. You can do this with a screwdriver too. It's not that difficult. We use a screw gun because it makes it easier for us. Pull this out. You got to kind of wiggle it, and I'll show you why. Because the wires stick down in the bottom, and those wires have to fit in this notch right here. So we're going to pull this out. You're going to unplug this. Just push these two buttons here. It unplugs. And set that like that. Go ahead and send this to us. We're gonna take this, we're gonna remanufacture it. We're gonna put new sensors in it. Instead of having relays, it's gonna have optical sensors in it. And this is an update for all of the Malibu boats that use the Lavorsi style shifter. Thanks.